the legal problem of Masumi.
I'm not talking about, Madam Sponsor, I'm not talking about the legal problem.
But in the end, you have to be legally correct.
I know.
You are a businessman. Everything should be legally correct.
Well, some shrewd businessman maybe. Yung mga tusong businessman maybe.
Hindi.
Would you like us to bring Masungi here? Or even make a phone call? Tawagan niyo Masungi. Would somebody call Masungi? Right here, right now. Mag-alamanan kung sinungaling, DNR o Masungi. Kung gusto mo, magpaano pa tayo, lie detector test,
Where?
polygraph test, para malaman kung sino sinungaling. Pwede bang paki-identify po, Madam Sponsor, kung sino po yung dalawa sa picture na binilugan? This was an event in Rizal.
Si Governor Inales. They are stakeholders operating in Rizal, and they were invited by the governor of Rizal to do
what?
discuss a joint project with all the stakeholders.
Joint
of
projects.
Rizal. Yes.
Can the good sponsor tell us exactly who these two people are, their names, and then what their who they represent,
They are.
and what are the kind of business that they do, that they own?
They cannot recognize the other one, but the one is a quarry operator.
Quarry operator. Thank you. And the other one is?
They do not know him.
Okay, well, I'll identify the second one, Estelle Marie Rebancos, an officer of Montalban Aggregates Producers Association.
So quarry operator also.
Exactly. In 2022, DNR ordered the suspension of the quarrying permits of the large-scale companies allegedly encroaching on the Masungi Reserve in Rizal, including the Rapid City Realty and Development Corporation, Kim Song Limestone Incorporated, and Quarry Rock Group Incorporated, owned by Angelita Lee, who happens to be in the picture. Sinuspindi po ng DNR ang quarrying permit ng mga nito, and yet, inibitahan sila diyan sa Project Transform. So out of delicadeza, bakit po sila nandyan? Ba't sila naimbitahan?
As I mentioned, they were invited by the governor of Rizal, stakeholders of in Rizal. Hindi ang nag-imbita sa kanila DNR.
Yes, di po ba dapat bilang secretary ng DNR, tinatanong niya, karapatan niya itanong kung sino-sino ang magdadalo sa isang pagtitipon?
But they canceled. You canceled.
Inside.
That's a DNR event, actually. So, ang DNR must have the call kung sinong imbitahan at sinong hindi. Hindi naman event yan ng governor eh. Event po yan ng DNR. So, ang DNR dapat ang gumagawa ng guest list. Hindi po si governor. Kahit na halimbawa inibitahan ni governor, pero pwede naman tablahin ni DNR secretary. Sabihin, I don't want that two persons invited because may mga problema sila. Nasuspindi namin yung kanilang mga permits, and then I don't want to be mixed with those two individuals.
Rapid City company inside the Masungi Reserve was canceled in 2023 because
you.
it's inside the protected area.
Tama po.
Italy, who is operating outside, is still operating.
Yun nga po, Madam Sponsor, Mr. President. Nagkaroon ng event ang DNR. Now, syempre, ang DNR may control doon sa guest list, doon sa mga taong imbitahan nila o hindi. Okay, sinasabi ng DNR, those two people were invited by the governor. Pero,
The governor of Rizal.
exactly. Pero sila pa rin may control kung sino ang papupuntahin nila o hindi, regardless kung invited the governor, because that's an event of the DNR, not the That's not an event.
My dear Senator, when the governor is inviting people, the DNR cannot stop the governor.
No, but that,
That's the reality of life in the Philippines. Like for me, if I am in Las Piñas and the mayor of Las Piñas will invite people, I cannot say that, look, I don't like these people. You don't do that.
no, ma'am. Kasi kung ako po ang nasa sitwasyon dyan at ako po ang secretary ng DNR, ako po ang may call kung sino yung mga guest na papasok. Pwede ko pong harangin yung mga taong ayaw kong papasukin regardless kung yan ay kasama ni Governor. Siguro naman may mga PA siya o EA na magsasabi sa kanya, sorry po Gov, wag muna natin siya isama kasi may problema po yan.
The governor cannot do that.
Well, I thought...
I mean,
Nandiyan
I'm a
po ba yung governor?
politician. You don't do that when you're governor.
Well, I'm also a politician, but
Yeah,
I have the right.
what's good is that the Rapid City was canceled because it's inside a protected area.
I know.
Little was not canceled because it's operating outside the protected area.
Madam Sponsor, Mr. President, ulitin ko. At sasabihin kong dahilan kung bakit ko pinakita yung picture na yan.
Mhm.
Nagkaroon ng event ang DNR. Project Transform. Now, before I proceed, nandyan ho ba si Gob? Si Governor Henares? Nandyan po siya? Okay. Exactly. So, bit-bit ni Governor. Pero, if I were the secretary, meron naman sigurong karapatan magsabi, Gob, pwede ba? Wag mo muna natin isama yung dalawa. Magkakaroon tayo ng picture taking at baka magkakaroon ng kulay out of delicadeza kasi may problema yan. Ayaw ko makahalo-bilo mga yan dito. Siguro naman si Governor magsasabi, of course, kasi event nyo ito, gagalangin ko yung request mo. I don't think the Governor would say, no, hindi pwede, bisita ko to eh. I don't think the Governor would say that.
Don't think the governor will say that, but
Exactly.
in his mind, he cannot say, like, if you're a constituent in the province, you cannot say it directly to your constituent. Oo.
So that
Kahit
means,
na gusto niyan sabihin, hindi niya,
yes, so that means the Governor has a say on environmental regulations.
not
But this is-
necessarily.
Therefore, may karapatan ng DNR na tumanggi kung sino yung mga bisitang ayaw na papasukin niya sa event nila. Because that was a DNR event.